We are live again. Sorry about that, guys. I apologize. We are live again. Sorry. Hello, hello. You're the first to join. Welcome, my friend. Hello, hello. Hello, JXXXXN. Welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. So, guys, I've got a few questions tonight from the previous lives, those screenshots. So, these are the questions, okay? So, I'm going to share the answers, guys, in a second when we get to 1K likes. Hello, hello, the GCSE revision. Welcome, welcome. Hello, Daniel. Welcome, welcome. Hello, the geek of everything. Hello, Emily. Welcome, welcome. Guys, so just doing some more questions for GCSE higher tier, guys. Yes, I did. Yes, it's good. It's good. Yes, it's good. It's good. It's good. Yes, it was good. It was good. Well done. Yeah, it was a good video. Well done, by the way. Well done. Hello, Jess. Welcome, welcome. No worries. No worries. Keep up. Careful. Yes. Just double check that one. Wait. Yeah, it's 13th. Why did I say 14th? Yeah, ignore me. Sorry. No, it is. Yeah, it is. It is 14th. Yeah, not 13th. Just double check. Guys, give it a few minutes, guys. Oh, thank you for liking the live. Thank you so much for liking the live. Guys, tap the screen, guys. So we'll start when we hit 1K. Thank you so much for liking. Hello, thank you, GC Revision, for liking. Thank you so much. Hello, Merv. Welcome, welcome. Guys, if possible, can we get 100 roses tonight? That is my target tonight. Can we get 100 roses? That is my target tonight. There's 6 of us in the live. Oh, bless you. Oh, that's annoying, mate. That's annoying, that is. Hello, Brooke. Yeah. That's annoying, my friend. That is annoying. Hello, what happened? Oh, no, sorry. What, me? The room, yeah. Like, I'm not sure she... I couldn't change the actual format, so I had to end the live, sorry. You guys, so can I start, guys? Or should we wait? Can we try and get to 1K likes, guys, before we start? Guys, tap the screen, guys, and share the live out if we can. But that's annoying, that is. That's annoying me. I feel for you. Oh, yeah, sorry, I apologise. Sorry, yeah. Sorry, that's embarrassing, that is. Yeah. Sorry. Now you know, innit? There's no secret anymore. Sorry about that, I apologise. Yes, correct, Peter. Thank you, Amelia, for liking. Thank you, I don't know, for liking. Guys, we'll start when we hit 1K likes. It's just a few questions tonight, and then we'll finish there, okay? Thank you, I don't know, for liking. Hello, Harvey. Welcome, welcome. Hello, I don't know. Hello, I don't know. Welcome, welcome. What do I have to do to solve the second one? Well, I'm just about to do the answers, Peter. When we hit 1K, Peter, I'll do the answers. Thank you. Hello, Bluebear. Thank you, Mardy Mum, for liking. But yeah, the Real Madrid buddy, it's a bit embarrassing. Thank you, I don't know, for liking. Yes, correct. Can't see the 2x, sorry. Thank you, I don't know, for liking. Guys, we're nearly at 1k likes already. Okay, so starting off the questions, guys, because just hit to 1k now. Thank you so much for hitting 1k. Guys, so for the first one, 125, guys, to the power of 2/3. So what does this mean? Well, I take the root of the denominator, so it's the cube root of 125, okay, which is equal to 5, because 5 times 5 times 5 is 125, and then I'm going to raise my answer to the power of the numerator. So it's going to be 5 squared, which equals to 25. Okay, that's my answer for the first one, guys. Okay, does that make sense? I've got like a broken pencil here. Okay, does that make sense? Okay, Peter said yes. Okay, awesome, awesome. Okay, yeah, okay, good. Okay, next question. So, the next one said, make K the subject of this formula. So, first of all, I'm going to square both sides so the square root can go. So, squaring both sides, I get M is equal to K cubed plus 1 over 4. I'm then going to times by 4 on both sides to balance each side respectively. I'm going to get 4m squared is equal to k cubed plus 1. I'm then going to subtract 1 on both sides. So I get 4m squared, take away 1 is equal to k cubed. What's the opposite of cubing? It's going to be the cube root. Yep, spot on, PTS. Okay, so this is actually higher tier, actually, so it's higher tier, sorry. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Sorry, yeah, it is a bit squished there. But sorry, yeah, so essentially, you got 4m squared minus 1 is equal to k cubed. Okay, and then the opposite of cubing is going to be the cube root. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Hello, Wave SMX, welcome, my friend. Does that make sense, guys? Are there any questions? Hello, Aiden, welcome, my friend. Welcome. Okay, cool. Next question. So it's solving a linear inequality. So I'm going to subtract 2x on both sides. Thank you, Peter, for liking. Thank you, I don't know, for liking. So I'm going to get 3x. Take away 3 is greater than 11. Add 3 to both sides. We get 3x is greater than 14. Dividing both sides by 3, we get x is greater than 14/3. Sorry, guys, it is a bit squished there. I apologize, but can you read that, guys? Is it legible? Aiden, buddy, yeah, I would say a revision guide is probably a bit better. I mean, a textbook is probably better to practice questions, but a revision guide and a workbook, okay, will obviously be, I think, yeah, a bit better. Harvey said, yeah, so thought it said 37 years. So which pot, sorry, 37? Sorry, yeah, it's bigger than, it's bigger than. Sorry about that. Okay, can I move on, guys, or not? Yes, yeah. It doesn't actually matter. Yeah. So are you doing AQA or EdXL? Hello, Lois. Welcome, Lois. It's good to see you again. Thank you for coming back on the live. Appreciate it. Hello, Taylor Swift fan. Welcome. Okay, can I move on, guys? Yes or no? Sorry, guys. It is a bit squished here. I apologize. The question was here, guys. Sorry. So these questions were obviously screenshotted from before. Okay, so get yourself in here. So get yourself a share, a correct share, like revision guide. Is this available in English? What does that mean? Ever do foundation questions? At some point I can do. So these are just like random questions, yeah, that I've got from past papers, yeah. So this is from an EdXL paper. This is from an EdXL paper. This is from an EdXL paper. EdXL and EdXL, okay. But yeah, it is just higher tier content. Sorry, guys, can you see that? Sorry, guys, it is not very readable. Sorry. Okay, can I move on, guys? Are there any more questions? Thank you for the likes, guys. Thank you for liking. Okay, Howard says yes. Can I move on? Hello, Emily. Welcome. Okay, Dot says yes. Sorry, Dot. Yeah, we will cover the foundation tier at some point. Yeah, but my focus now, yeah, is more obviously higher tier. Actually, I apologize, but I'll try to do the crossover topics so everyone can join. Okay. I mean, question 3, this could appear on a foundation tier as well actually, yeah, but question 1 and 2 is higher tier explicitly. Hello, Emma, welcome. Question 4, I would say, yeah, is higher tier only, but again, there is no harm here in obviously practicing. Okay, next question. Fully factorize 20x squared minus 5. So, 5 is the highest common factor. So it's 5 brackets 4x squared minus 1. Now that will obviously get me the mark in the exam, but it's a 2-mark question. And it says fully factorized. Can someone tell me why does it say fully factorized and not just say factorized? Why does the question on the EdXL paper say fully factorized? Anyone tell me? Okay, Ben says easy. Okay, cool. So can someone tell me why? Okay, no, it's okay. So it's not sure. That's fine. So it's recognizing that this is actually the difference of 2 squares. Yes, spot on, Mardium. Yes. So difference of 2 squares. What does that mean? Well, I've got a squared term here. Subtract, so difference, and a square number. So I can actually factorize this into a double bracket here. So this would be 5 brackets. So factorizing this, it will be 2x plus 1 times 2x minus 1. Okay, because if you expand these double brackets here, I get 4x squared minus 2x plus 2x minus 1. So the 2x's just cancel. Okay, leave me with 4x squared minus 1. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Does that make sense? So again, this is a super duper hot topic here. Sorry, guys, my actual working here is not very actually clear, guys. Sorry. So this is the question, guys. Here. So this is the question of question 1. This is question of question 2. Question 3 is in the second here. Question 4 is this question here. So fully factorize this expression. Okay. So are there any more questions, guys? Sorry. Are there any more questions? So that's how to fact. Yeah, no worries. Thank you, Howard, for liking. Okay, the next one here is a bit more trickier. So the next one is solving a quadratic inequality. Okay, so first step is to rearrange it so it's in the form x squared plus something x plus a number is greater than 0. So I'm going to subtract 3x and minus 4 on both sides. So I get x squared minus 3x minus 4 is greater than, thank you, Matt, for liking it's greater than 0. Okay, does that first step there make sense, guys? So it's a quadratic, and I want to make it so it's got a 0 actually on this side. So I've taken this to this side, sorry, and I've taken this to this side. Hello, Nemo, welcome, my friend. Hello, it's good to see you again. Okay, so now I'm going to factorize this. So this is actually, so this is actually a quadratic inequality, Lena, yeah. So this question here is higher tier only, okay? So I'm going to factorize this, okay? So I'm going to have x and x. So what two numbers add to make minus 3, but times to make minus 4? Well, that would be negative 4 and positive 1. Okay, so yeah, I hope it makes sense so far. Sorry, I've not got much. Yeah, I haven't got much actually space here. Okay. Hello, Jess. Welcome, welcome. Guys, can you see that? Sorry, I apologize. Sorry, it's not very clear, guys. I apologize about my messy handwriting. Sorry. So, does that make sense, guys? Oh, wait, you are. Okay, awesome, awesome. Yeah, awesome, Lena. Awesome, awesome. Do I have any trigonometry? Not today, buddy. But I've got some like yeah, I've got a few videos, Nemo, on my YouTube channel. Hello, Sim. Welcome, welcome. Hello, Ez. Welcome, welcome. Hello, guys. It is good to see you again. But I can cover trig if you want. Yeah, like briefly. Yeah. So, is it soccer toa? Hello, Ease. Welcome, welcome. Have I got any videos on basic inequalities? Yes, I have, Sim. Yes. Examiner's giving you no marks. Sorry about. Sorry, is it not very clear, guys? Thank you, Lena, for liking. Sorry, I apologize. Sorry about that. I apologize. Okay, so my roots to my quadratic. Blood needs a tutor. If you read it, mate. Okay, sorry. I apologize. Sorry. So these are just random questions that I've got from online, guys. Okay, I haven't had actually much space to show my workings. Okay. How do you read it? I apologize. Sorry. Sorry, Nicole. I apologize. It's not very clear. Okay, so question one, we were asked to evaluate 125 to the power of 2/3. Okay, so I worked it out here. So that is question one, guys. Question two is rearranging a formula. Okay, so follow this step. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, sorry, guys. It's not very actually clear actually here. So can I just go on some new paper? Okay. Sorry. So the next question said, solve this inequality, guys. So it says solve this inequality. So thank you, Sim, for the follow. Thank you so much for the follow. Thank you. Okay. So this question, guys, is solving a quadratic inequality. So this is higher tier only. So first step is to subtract 3x on both sides and minus 4 on both sides. So we get x squared, take away 3x, take away 4 is bigger than. So this is actually from the edX here. So this question here is from an edX exam board, okay, from a higher tier paper. Okay, that's fine, yeah. So it's still going to be useful for you, Lena. Yeah, it's still going to be useful. Sorry. Someone's requesting that. Someone is requesting apologies. So, factorizing this, guys, what do we have? Well, to make x squared, guys, is going to be x and x. Two numbers that add to make minus 3 and times to make minus 4. That will be minus 4 and positive 1. Okay, so this is actually higher tier, higher tier. Okay, spot on, Nemo, yes. Oh, careful, Simia, careful. So factors of 4. That's all right, it's all right. So my solutions to this quadratic is x equals 4 and x equals minus 1. So I'm going to now sketch this quadratic, guys, a rough sketch. Okay, so pass it through negative 1 and 4. Okay, so it looks something like this. Again, a rough sketch. Okay, so my solutions are minus 1 and 4. Okay, this is my graph of y equals x squared minus 3x minus 4. Hello, Daniel. Welcome, welcome. Okay, so does that make sense so far, guys? Sorry, I was going a bit faster. Okay, so we want to know. Hello, Anthony. Welcome, my friend. Welcome, welcome. It is good to see you on the call. So we want to know, when is this quadratic? Yes, Nicole. Yes, you do. Yes. Okay, so when is this quadratic greater than? Thank you, KD, for the follow. Thanks so much for the follow, KD. Okay, so when is this quadratic bigger than 0? Well, it's bigger than 0 when it's above the x-axis. Thank you, Pablo Escobar, for the follow. Okay, sorry, I know, I apologize, sorry. Hello, Cara, welcome. Sorry, I apologize, Lena. Sorry. Okay, so the answer to this, guys, is when x is less than -1. Thank you, Nicole, for liking, and x is greater than 4. Okay, that is my solution to this quadratic inequality. Okay, so you always make it so it's greater than or less than 0. Okay, thank you, ND, for liking. Okay, and that, guys, is my answer. Okay, does that make sense, guys? I didn't want to draw the graph. Okay, so you draw the graph when you have a quadratic inequality. Okay, Pablo Escobar says yes. Nicole says yes. Matt says yes. My mum says yes. Are there any questions? Sorry. So you draw the graph when you have a quadratic inequality. So a quadratic inequality. Okay, yes, last bit again. Yes, I can do. Okay, so the first step is we got it so it was greater than 0. Okay, and then we factorized it. Okay, the solutions were when x minus 4 is 0, therefore x equals 4, or when x plus 1 equals 0, so x is minus 1. So I then plotted these points on my curve. Okay, thank you, Nicole, for the follow. Thank you, Ray, for liking. Thanks so much, Ray, for liking. Okay, thank you, Hani Mohammed, for liking. Thank you, Ray, for liking. Okay, so sorry, guys. So is where it crosses. So we want to know when is this quadratic bigger than 0. So it's bigger than 0. Okay, or above the x-axis. Yeah. So this greater than 0 just means when is the graph above the x-axis? It's above the x-axis here, and it's above it here in this region. Okay, so it's above it when x is less than -1, and it's also above it when x is greater than 4. Okay, yes, I can do. Hello, my GCSE maths. Welcome, my friend. Hello. It's good to see you on the call. Welcome, my friend. Hello. Okay, so that's how we find, okay, the solution to a quadratic graph, guys. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Does that make sense? Okay, are there any questions? You sub them, so you sub them back in brackets, then times the values. What does that mean, Sim? Sorry, yo, what does that mean? Oh, thank you, Pablo Escobar, for the rose. Thanks so much for the rose. Thank you very much, my GC. It's nice to see you, my friend. Welcome back. It's good to see you. I hope you're doing well. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. Okay, no worries. Okay, awesome. I know, yeah. It's good to see this guy again. I've missed my GC Maths. He's a legend. That guy is W legend, yeah. I think he's a much better teacher than me, I'll be honest. No, I'm joking. Maybe I'm a bit bad. I'm joking. No, I'm joking. Thank you, sir, for coming on. I appreciate it, buddy. Thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate it. Does that question make sense? Thank you, Anthony. I appreciate that. Thank you. Awesome. It's good to see you, my friend. Good to see you again. Good to see you. Okay, so that's how we solve a quadratic inequality. Okay. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you, Sim. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Okay, sorry. So that is our question there. So are there any questions, guys? Does that make sense? Are there any questions? That's how we solve a quadratic inequality. Okay, so we make it so it's less than or greater than 0, factorize the quadratic, okay, work out the solutions on where it crosses on the x-axis. Okay, thank you so much, sir. Thank you. I appreciate it, buddy. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, thank you so much for the rose. Thank you so much for the rose, sir. You legend. Thank you so much for the rose. You legend. Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate it, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. You legend. That guy's a legend, guys. He's my hero, in it. He's a legend. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Thank you. Okay, so then, bye, Nemo. Okay, bye. Oh, he's saying bye to me, or okay. So my solutions to the quadratic. Okay, so we flip the sign. So x equals 4 and x equals -1 are my solutions. Okay, no worries. Yeah, no worries. Okay, so when is this graph, okay, above the x-axis? This part just means when is it above the x-axis? Okay, so above the x-axis. Okay, so it's above the x-axis. Where am I from? So well, I'm based in the UK. Yes, so like, I'm based in the UK. Yes, I'm based in the UK. But yeah, thank you, Daniel, for liking. He's from Upminster. Who said that? Okay, does that make sense, guys? Are there any questions? Just 1 second, guys. Let's get the previous question back up. Okay, are there any questions? Sounds very posh. I don't know why. Okay, no worries. No, no one's actually said that to me. Sorry, guys. I apologize. It's a bit weak there. Okay, so if from London, okay, awesome, awesome. So the next question says, show that 1 over 1 plus 1 over root 2 can be simplified to 2 minus 2 root 2. So it says, show that 1 over 1 plus 1 over root 2, okay, can be simplified to 2 minus root 2, okay? So again, this is more higher tier as well, guys. Okay, so step 1, okay, is to multiply top and bottom of the fraction by root 2, because I don't want a root 2 here on my denominator. So I'm going to times top and bottom by root 2. Yeah, it's actually pretty hard to say, yeah. But don't panic, buddy, don't panic. Okay, a lot of this is higher tier only, but I am going to be covering. So one more time for you. No, it's a good question, Shea. So it's a good question. Okay, because I don't want a fraction on my denominator of my fraction. Okay. So, oh, thank you so much, Pablo Escobar, for the. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, so times top and bottom by root 2. So I'm gonna have root 2 over. So rationalizing just means getting rid of a third on the denominator of my fraction. Okay, so we don't like having thirds on the denominator. Okay, sorry. So over root 2 plus 1. So does that step there make sense? Yes, I've times this by root 2, I've times this by root 2, and I've times this by root 2, and it's giving me this here. Does that make sense, guys? Does that make sense? Okay, awesome. Okay, everyone's saying yes. Are there any questions? Okay, does that make sense? Yeah. So you times both by root 2, yes, because I've got a fraction here, okay, but I've also got another fraction within a fraction, so I don't want this root 2 here, so I've times everything top and bottom of my fraction by root 2. So I have root 2 over root 2 plus 1. I'm now going to rationalize this. So times top and bottom by root 2 minus 1 over root 2 minus 1. Okay, so essentially it's the conjugate of this. Okay, it's this, but the sign is flipped to a minus. Yes, Anthony, that is correct, Anthony. Hello, Stacey. Welcome, welcome. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Does that make sense? So, are there any questions? Sorry, guys. It's a bit harder here to actually see. Okay, Zaid says yes. Okay, awesome. Sorry, guys. Yeah, if it's actually very clear, actually, I apologize, guys. Okay, so now expanding brackets. So, root 2 times root 2 is going to be root 4, which is going to be just 2. Root 2 times minus 1 is going to be minus root 2. On the denominator, I'm going to have root 2 times root 2, which is going to be root 4. Thank you, Pablo Escobar, for the. Thank you so much for the rose, Pablo Escobar. Thank you so much. Thank you, I appreciate it. Thank you so much, my friend. So root 2. Oh, the bot. Yeah, no worries. Lives at the minute, yes. So it's usually on weekends and then weekday evenings. around like 7 p.m. Yeah, depending on my availability. Yes, so yes, 2 minus 1. Okay, so root 2 times root 2 is going to be 2. Root 2 times minus 1 actually is going to be minus root 2. 1 times root 2. Yeah, no worries, Anthony. Yeah, no worries, my friend. No worries. It's going to be root 2. And then 1 times minus 1. Yeah, thank you, Sim. Thank you for coming actually on that. Okay, it's going to be minus 1. So Zaid says, what? Does it just become 2? Which part, sorry, does it become 2? So root 2 times root 2 gives you 2. Root 2 times minus 1 is going to be minus 1 root 2 or minus root 2. On the bottom, this is what I call the difference of two squares. Hello, Shell. Welcome, Shell. Hello. I do root 2 times root 2. No worries, Pablo Escobar. Thank you so much for your gifts tonight, buddy. I appreciate that. And then I do 1 times minus 1, which is minus 1. So this just simplifies to 2 minus root 2 over 1, which is going to be 2 minus root 2. And that, guys, is my final answer. Okay, so I've shown that I get 2 minus root 2 at the end. Okay? Does that make sense, guys? Sorry, let me scroll up a bit. Sorry. Let me scroll up a bit. Does that make sense? Sorry. Do you wanna press that screenshot button? Okay, cool. Anyone want to screenshot this or not? Sorry, I got my hand in the way. It should be minus 1 for the denominator. Careful, Zaid. So, root 2 times root 2 is 2. Root 2 times minus root 1 is going to be minus... Thank you, not Elijah, for... Is minus root 2. Then I've got plus root 2, so they cancel. 1 times minus 1 is going to be minus 1. Hello, Victor, my friend. Welcome. Thank you, not Elijah, for liking. Thank you, not Elijah, for sharing my video or live. Sorry. Thank you, Victor, for liking. Thank you so much for liking. Thank you for all the gifts, guys. Thank you so much for all the gifts, guys. I am being a bit stingy tonight, guys. Yeah, but can we try? I don't know what the question is, please. Yeah, sorry. So the question was to show 1 over root 2 plus 1 over root 2 is the same as 2 minus root 2. Okay, so it's to show that question. Does that make sense, guys? Should I subscribe? If you want Elijah, yeah, I don't actually mind. Yeah, like roses are probably a bit cheaper. So my target is like I need 94 more roses tonight. That is my target. Okay, but you are welcome to subscribe if you want to. Yeah, no worries, Zayda. Yeah, no worries. So did that make sense, guys? Sorry, yeah, he's a bit rushed. So these questions are from the screenshot that I took earlier. Okay. So this is question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4, question 5, actually, yeah, question 6, and then we've got one more question here, actually, yeah, and then we finish. Thank you for the follow. Thank you so much for the follow. Hello, Ames. Welcome, Ames. Hello, Angel. Welcome. Thank you, not Elijah, for liking. Guys, are there any topics that you want me to cover like after this question? So last question says, solve y plus 4 all squared equals 16. Okay, so can we try this question, guys? Yeah. So it says solve y plus 4 all squared equals 16. Sorry. Let me move that out of the way, sorry. Okay. So, how do we solve this? Well, I'm going to do the opposite, so I'm going to take the square root of both sides because I've got a square here. So I'm going to have y plus 4 equals plus or minus root 16. Okay. Y plus 4 equals... It's a bit too zoomed in and you're talking really fast. Sorry, I apologize, Mish. Sorry. Hello. Plus or minus 4. Thank you, Mish, for liking. I'm then going to subtract 4 on both sides. Okay, we get y is equal to plus or minus 4 minus 4. So we have two solutions here. So two solutions. So y is equal to plus 4 minus 4, or y is equal to minus 4 minus 4. Hello, Rowan. Welcome, welcome. So y is equal to 0 or y equals minus 8. And they are my two solutions to the quadratic equation, okay? Or to this equation here, okay? No worries, Angel. No worries, yeah, no worries. So the plus and minus here, no, it's important here because when you have y squared equals a number, okay, this is actually what I call a quadratic. Okay? So yeah, it is a quadratic equation, okay? So this actually has two solutions. Yes, Nima, yes, that's correct, yes. It is very confusing as he's put plus 4. Yes, so it's plus or minus 4, yeah? So plus or minus 4. So the first solution is 4 take away 4, which is going to be 0. Minus 4 is going to be minus 8. So they are my two solutions to this equation. Does that make sense, guys? Thank you, Mish, for liking. Does that make sense, Lena? Okay, so whenever you have like a letter squared, so like y squared equals 16, y equals plus or minus the square root, okay, of that number. However, which is plus or minus 4. However, if I write, if I write actually the square root of actually 25, then I'm taking that, as the positive root. So the answer to this is just equal to 5, okay? But if it was x squared equals 25, then I have x equals plus or minus root 25, okay? So it has two solutions, okay? So yeah. So I hope it makes sense, okay? Guys, are there any more... Guys, does that make sense here? Are there any questions? Are there any more topic requests? So someone wanted me to go over trig earlier. Trig, soccer tour. Was that you, Nemo? I can't actually remember. Okay, so let's look at some trig briefly. Okay, so for GCSE maths, can I do circle theorems? Yeah, I can do at some point. Bro, minus 8 is wrong. So double check, buddy. So double check the question. So let's just go back quickly. Yeah, so go back quickly. Sorry. So why is minus 8 wrong? So minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4. If you square minus 4, I get 16. So that is correct, yes. When y is 0, 0 plus 4 is 4. 4 squared is 16. Hello, Amy. Welcome, welcome. Okay, does that make sense? So this is what I call a quadratic equation. It has two solutions. Okay. Okay. So for GCSE trig, guys. So okay. So this is on the higher and foundation. Okay. Does it give you the values already? So the question was to solve this equation. So it said solve this equation. Okay. Those of you that are new. Oh, bless you, Nina. Yeah, no worries, Lena. Yeah, no worries. Oh, bless you. Yeah, no, I hear that, Lena. I hear that. Well, I hope, I hope these labs, help you a bit. But yeah, no worries. Okay. Okay, so for GC trig, guys, so we need to know actually, so, ka, toa. So, this is all to do with finding an angle or a side in a right angled triangle, okay? So this is for foundation and for higher tier, okay? So, these are the formula triangles. So it's so, ka, toa, okay? So the way this works is, okay, so sine of my angle is the opposite side divided by the hypotenuse. Yes, Lena, it does. Yes, Lena, it does. Yes. So Pythag is working out lengths, okay, given two side lengths. Okay, trig is working out a side length or an angle depending on what you're given. Okay, so sine is that. Okay, cos of my angle is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tan of my angle. So Nemo, yeah. So I'm gonna come on to that in just 1 second. So yeah, bear with me. Okay. Now, where do these like words actually come from? Well, it depends on the angle that is labeled in your diagram. So let's say my angle was here. So this was angle theta. Okay, it is not always actually a bottom line here. So it can actually be there. Okay, but for this case here, we'll do this one here. So this one, this side of here is called opposite. This one is my adjacent because it's next to the angle. And this is the hypotenuse, which is opposite the right angle. Okay? So, let's say I had a side length of 5. Sorry, opposite of 5. And a hypotenuse of 6. Okay? Well, using SOHCAHTOA, okay, so I got opposite and I got the hypotenuse. So I'm going to have sine of my angle. So sine of theta is the opposite, which is going to be 5 divided by 6. Okay. Now to work out theta, I'm going to do the inverse sine. So theta equals sine inverse of 5/6. Okay. And you like, yeah, if you enter in your calculator by pressing shift sine and then 5/6 or 5 divided by 6, then it will give you your angle. Okay, so that's a summary of trig, guys. Does that make sense, Nemo? What? Okay, cool. So it's based on your angle. Okay. Yes, just these. Yes, that's correct. Okay, so it's a thumbs up actually from Lena. Okay, thank you, Anthony, for the follow. Okay, so let's obviously try. Yeah, so we'll have a go. Actually, sorry. So let's just try out one question together. Okay, let's say this is my triangle. The angle is going to be here, and I've got a side length of 7, and I've got a length here of 8. Okay, and the question said, work out theta for 3 marks. Okay. So, first step, guys, is label your sides. So this is opposite my angle. So I'm going to label that as O for opposite. Okay, yes, spot on, Lena. Yes, that is correct, Lena. Yes, spot on. Okay, that's going to be my adjacent. Okay, yeah, it is a right angle here. Sorry, it's a right angle here. Yeah, sorry about that. Sorry. So, yeah, it's a right angle now. Sorry. And this is my hypotenuse because it's opposite the right angle. Okay, now I am given. Yeah, sorry about that. Just G's. I apologize. Sorry, I apologize. Just G's. Okay. How do you know when to use Tanya? Yeah, I'm about to come on to it actually. Yeah, Melissa. So the formula is SOHCAHTOA. Okay, so remember from before. So we said. So what did we say before? So we said the following. So we said that sine of an angle is opposite over hypotenuse. Cos of my angle is adjacent over hypotenuse. And tan of my angle is opposite over adjacent. Okay, so they are obviously my formula triangles. So SOHCAHTOA, so that is the acronym. Okay, sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tan is opposite over adjacent. Okay, does that make sense? Yes, Justy, that is correct. Yes. Okay, so flicking back here, guys. Sorry, so flicking back here. Okay, so I've got an opposite and I've got an adjacent, so I'm going to be using TOA, sorry. Okay, so tan of theta, so tan of my angle, is opposite over the adjacent. So it's 7 out of 8, okay? So sorry guys. So theta is tan inverse. Yes, spot on, Nima. Yes, other way, okay? Is it because the one that doesn't have a value assigned? Yes, Melissa, yes, that's true, yes. Oh, awesome, Jamie, awesome, awesome. Yes. So remember, guys, so press shift. So you press shift, then tan, okay, on your calculator, yeah, and then type in here 7 divided by 8 or 7/8, okay, and that will give you your angle, okay? So does that make sense, guys? Okay, awesome. Okay, the last part, guys, yeah, so last part, so they may ask you to work out a side length. Okay, so let's say I've got a triangle here. Again, yeah, I'll make it obviously a bit more different actually, deliberately. Okay, so this time, okay, this time, okay, I'm gonna put my angle here, and I'm gonna label that, yeah, as 50 degrees. Okay, I'm gonna label this as X centimeters, and this is 10 centimeters, okay? No, careful, Nima, yeah, so careful. So this is actually still trig, okay? So it's still actually trig. So, step one, label our sides. This is opposite the angle. This is opposite the right angle, so it's the hypotenuse. And then this is what I call the adjacent, okay? Now, I haven't got any information about the adjacent yet, so I'm going to cross it off. Okay, spot on, Lena, yes. You're correct, yes. So, I'm going to use sine of my angle. So, sine of 50 is equal to the opposite, which is x over 10, okay? What's the opposite of divided by 10, guys? What's the opposite of divided by 10? Yes, spot on, Nima. Yes, spot on, my friend. Yes, spot on. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to have 10 lots of sine 50 or sine 50 times 10. I would obviously bring it into my calculator here, and that would give me my exact answer, okay, for that side length there, okay? So trig can be used, guys, to work out a side length given an angle and and another side and the right angle. Okay, or given two side lengths and to work out an angle. Okay, so that is GCSE trig summarized, guys. Okay, so that is GCSE trig, okay, for the foundation and higher tier. Okay, hello, Ashley, welcome. Okay, thank you so much, Jamie, for the follow. Thank you so much, guys. Was that helpful, guys? Does that make sense? Are we happy about what Pythag theorem is? Yeah, I hear you. Actually, I hear you. Okay. Are there any more topic requests? Are there any more questions? Half eight, guys. Sorry, my actual battery is about to die. Sorry, on my phone. I apologize. Give me 1 second. Okay, sine and cosine rule. Okay, maybe not today. Don't know mean to. So Melissa, yeah, like I can cover that actually. Obviously, briefly actually, if you want to, rationalizing the denominator. Yes, like I can do that. Yes. My actual battery is quite low. I apologize. Okay. Okay, guys, so rationalizing the denominator. Okay, so let's just do a few more. Okay, so sine and cosine rule, yeah, we'll do that actually after because it's quite a bit more. Bro, when did you not do rationalizing? Well, there's that, Jamie. Yes, there's that. Okay, so let's say I've got the fraction 2 over root 2. Okay, and I want to rationalize this. Well, this means I want to get rid of the third on the denominator of my fraction. Now, to do this, I'm going to times top and bottom of my fraction by 1. But 1 is the same as root 2 over root 2. Okay, spot on, just use, yes. Okay, so on the top, I've got 2 times root 2, so that'll be 2 root 2. And on my denominator, I've got root 2 times root 2, which is root 4. Okay, which I can then simplify. So I've got 2 root 2 on the top. Oh, thank you, Just Cheese. Thank you so much. I appreciate that comment. Thank you so much. Okay, sorry guys about my labs here. It is not very actually well organized, yeah. But yeah. Hello, Laura. Welcome, Laura. Does that make sense, guys? Okay, awesome, Nima. Awesome. So divide top and bottom by 2, and my answer I get is just root 2. Okay, because it becomes 1 and 1 there. Root 2 over 1 is just going to be root 2. Okay, does that make sense, Melissa? So that's the first type of rationalizing. Yes. So again, yeah, it's in this context. Again, this is higher tier, guys. Okay, awesome. So can you guys try then this question here? Yeah. Okay. So, oh, thank you so much, Melissa. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, so try this question, guys. So 4 over root 3. Okay, so try this question, guys, and then we'll go through it in a second. Okay, so yes, it does, Lena. Yes, it does. It does, Lena. Yes. Thank you so much, by the way, for my GCSE maths here coming in actually a lot. I'm so actually grateful for his support. Okay. Type done when you finish this question, and then we'll go through it. Yes, Nemo, that is correct. Oh, careful, just easier, careful. Yes, Marty Mom, that is correct. Yes, careful, just geez, be careful. Okay, spot on. Okay, yes. Okay, spot on, Melissa. Oh, careful, Melissa. Careful, yeah. Just careful. Actually, careful, guys. Hello, Vanessa. Yes, Lena. Yeah, that's correct. Yes, careful. Just use So times top and bottom by root 3 over root 3. On the top, 4 times root 3 is 4 lots of root 3. And then root 3 times root 3 is root 9, which is just equal to 3. So my answer is that, or I can write it as 4/3 root 3. Okay, either answer would suffice. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Hello, AMR. Welcome, my friend. Welcome, AMR. Guys, any gifts are welcome today, guys. Guys, like, I know, I'm taking the mickey today, but can we get 94 roses, guys? Oh, thank you so much, Melissa, for the rose. Oh, got 2 roses here. Can you do a GCSE higher question? Yes. So thank you so much, AMR, for liking. Guys, we need just 92 roses tonight, and then I'll be happy. Yeah, it's quite a lot, I know, but my target is 100 roses, guys. 100 roses tonight. Okay, what part of on maths would you suggest for me as someone taking the GCSE higher paper? Okay, so I would say practice past papers. Guys, my biggest tip here, so listen carefully, guys. So on the Corbett Maths website, please. Oh, thank you so much, Justy. Yeah, thank you so much, dear. Thank you so much, Justy. So please check out the 5 day guys. Yeah, I cannot stress this enough, guys. These are fantastic. Yeah, every student that I have tutored in the past year for higher and foundation years. So have gotten grade 9s, grade 8s, grade 7, grade 6s, grade 5 and grade 4s by doing these 5 days here. So please. Go to his website, okay? Get those worksheets, Yeah, Math Genius here is pretty good here. So Math Genius is pretty good actually. So Math Genius is pretty good. Hello, Arwin. Welcome, Arwin. It's good to see you again, Arwin. Welcome. Yes, yeah. Incognito here is pretty good here. But this person, I cannot recommend this person actually enough. Hello, Arwin. Welcome. It is good to see you again. Thank you so much, Melissa, for the follow. Guys, today we've gained 8 new followers today. Thank you so much, guys. Guys, if you're not following me, guys, press that follow button, please. Okay, press that follow button, guys. If like yes. Okay, yes, that is right. Yes, Arwin. Oh, sorry. Someone else talking to Arwin. Hello, Arwin. Welcome. Okay, guys. Oh, thank you so much, Melissa, for the rose. Thank you so much, Melissa, for the rose. You legend. Thank you so much. Thank you, AMR, for liking. Thank you so much, guys. Guys, we need 90 more roses, guys. 90 more roses, yeah? 90 more roses tonight, guys. That is my target, because my target is trying to hit 100, guys. Sorry. So far, we've got 10, so we need 90 more roses, guys, yeah? Quick maths. No, I'm joking. But any gifts here are actually welcome, guys. But thank you so much, guys, for this. Hello, Kyra, sorry. Or Kira, sorry. Okay, so guys, back to my point earlier. Okay, every student here that I've tutored in the past, guys, who have smashed their exams, have always come back here and said to me, "Sir, please tell your students here or on TikTok here, just tell them." Oh, thank you so much, Ashia. Thank you so much. Okay, tell them about Club Match here, Fabric Ashia, guys. Yeah, so please, yeah, check it out, guys. Okay. So yeah, so it's obviously corbynmaths.com. Okay, so go to the GCSE section. Okay, so it's got a Fabric here. So it's got numeracy, foundation. I'm trying to learn maths. Yeah, no worries, Owen. Yeah, no worries. Okay, it's got foundation plus, higher and higher plus. Okay, so this is not actually me. This is not actually like a promo, guys. I promise actually, it is me actually being honest actually. This person is so good actually with their maths, yeah, and their worksheets. Okay, all of my students here in the past that I have tutored personally have said to me, "Sir, we got a grade 9, a grade 8, a grade 7 actually, a grade 6, a grade 5 actually, a grade 4 actually, because we were doing these 30-minute a day worksheets, okay? Because every day actually, the person gives you like a new worksheet. So yeah, for these actually, this guy's capping. What does that even mean? Capping, sorry. What does that even mean? What does capping mean? Sorry. Oh, thank you so much, AMR. Thank you so much. Oh, okay. Why would I lie? That's a bit bizarre, but okay. Why would I lie? Okay, that's a bit bizarre, but okay. Yeah, it is annoying me now. I should apologize. Guys, okay, if someone wants to actually ignore me, then ignore me. That's fine, okay. But this is not me saying it here. This is my students here saying it to me every year. No, but I'm being serious now. I'm being serious, guys. Yeah. Okay, so please, guys, print them out here. Obviously, yes. Past papers here are the most important, but on top of your papers, I think these are a fantastic short 30-minute burst. Yeah, a day that you can do, yeah, like on the bus home, like on your, I don't know, you like drive home from school or to school, whatever it is, yeah, like maths intervention, yeah, like whatever it is, guys, yeah. Okay, I cannot recommend actually this person enough, guys, yeah. So please, okay, check it out, guys. Is that alright? Oh, thank you, AMR. Algebra is like a cheat, is like sheet music. Okay, alright, okay. Okay, so back to Surds, guys. Yeah, sorry. Are there any more questions about this website, guys? Sorry, yeah. Oh, thank you so much, Jessie. That is so kind of you. That's so kind. Guys, tonight we've gained 10 new followers, guys. Yeah, please, if you can, guys, press that follow button, guys. Please, press that follow button. Okay, and I promise that you will definitely smash your exam this year. I promise. Well, not promise, sorry, but I mean, it is a high chance that you'll pass. Okay. Why are there some like negative comments tonight, guys? I don't want to hear it. Okay, I'm here about the positive. Okay, Yeah, any comments, guys. I'm gonna just ignore because I can't bother shit to deal with that negativity. Okay, but guys, I'm being serious because yeah, please do check out. Okay, okay, please check out. Okay, thank you, AMR. Thank you so much. Thank you, Melissa. I appreciate you backing me. But yeah, so I'm fine, guys. I promise you, I'm fine. Promise you. But thank you. I appreciate like everyone trying to support me. I appreciate that. But guys, please do if you can, guys. Yeah, check out Cold Maths here. Okay, so back to a few more like rationalizing the denominator. Okay, so okay, so if it's in the form, okay, why are you saying that, user? Let's say I've got 4 over root 7, so one more actually practice here. So I'll times top and bottom by root 7. So I get 4 root 7 over root 7. Sorry, guys, yeah. I jumped there actually a bit, yeah. But were there any questions, yeah, about carbon maths, yeah? Any questions about carbon maths? Thank you, Freya, for liking the live, actually. Thank you so much for liking the live. Guys, we need 90 more roses tonight, guys. Can we try and get 90 more roses tonight? That is my target tonight. 90 more roses. So any roses, guys, yeah. So there's 10 people in the chat now. If everyone sends 9 roses, yeah, we'll smash it. Hello, Travel with Taser. Welcome. Okay, yeah, no worries. Yeah, no worries, Nemo. No worries. I apologize. Sorry if I ask. I apologize. Sorry. Hello, user. Welcome. Hello, Jay. Welcome, Jay. Oh, Jay's back again. It's calm. Okay. Right, guys. Next question. Hello. Welcome. Okay, next one. What if I have 5 over 2 plus root 3? Okay, so this one here is a bit more tricky actually, guys, yeah. Any ideas on how to rationalize this, guys? Any ideas? Thank you, by the way, guys, yeah, for the comment. I've got to go, yeah, at 9 p.m. sharp. I've got to go, actually. Okay, Freya says actually no clue. Yeah, no worries, Freya, no worries. Okay, thank you for actually joining, Freya. I appreciate your support as well. Actually, thank you for tapping the stream, actually. Okay, yes, spot on. So we multiply by what we call the conjugate. Okay, so we times by 2 minus root 3. So we times by this, but we flip the sign over 2 minus root 3. Okay, the reason for that, guys, someone, thank you, Owen, actually, for liking. So someone wants me to do like equations of shear of lines of shear. Yep. So I can do that next. I've got to go here. Oh, why is it doing this? Sorry. Where did the 5 go? Yeah, well, the 5 actually. So now I times the top by top and bottom by bottom. So I've got 5 times this. So I'm going to have 5 lots of 2 minus root 3. And on the bottom, I'm going to have 2 plus root 3 times 2 minus root 3. Guys, sorry that I'm saying that she's twice this year, but I've got to actually go at 9:30 tonight. Yeah, I've got to actually go at 9:30, guys. So I apologize. Okay, no worries, Freya. Does that make sense, Freya? Yes, spot on, Nima. Yes, correct. Yes. So now I do 5 times root 2. Sorry, thank you, Owen. And 2 is going to be 10. Oh, thank you so much for the roses. Thank you so much for the roses. Thank you so much for the roses, you legend. Thank you so much. Thank you, Owen, for liking. Okay, no worries, Nima. Yeah, no worries. So 5 times 2 is going to be 10. 5 times minus root 3 is going to be minus 5 root 3. On the bottom, okay, so be careful, guys. So on the bottom, I'm going to use FOIL. So 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times minus root 3 is going to be minus 2 root 3. Thank you, Melissa, for liking. Thank you, Just G, for the roses. Thank you so much for the roses. That's going to be plus 2 root 3. And then root 3 times minus root 3 is minus root 9, which is going to be minus 3. Okay? So it's minus root 9. Okay, the minus is from there, and that's going to be minus 3. Okay? Does that make sense, guys? Thank you, Howard, for liking. Guys, yes, spot on, Melissa. Yes, spot on, Melissa. Okay, yes. Thank you. Yes. Okay, cool, Owen. Cool. Okay, Freya's got thumbs up here. Okay, so on the top, I've got that. Okay. Okay, sorry, Just Cheese, I apologize. Sorry, Just Cheese, I apologize. Okay, on the bottom, 4 take away 3 is just 1. Okay, divided by 1 doesn't actually change my answer. So my final answer is 10 minus 5 root 3. And that's how to rationalize something in the form a plus root b, okay? So you multiply by the conjugate, okay? Sorry, Just G, I apologize. Okay, so you times by this here, but you flip the sign. The reason for that is it creates the difference of two squares on the denominator of my fraction, okay? So when I do this, okay, I will always get a whole number on my fraction and I will not have a third, okay? Hence why rationalizing the denominator means getting rid of any third on the denominator of my fraction, okay? Does that make sense, guys? Yes, spot on. Yes, Nima, yes. So, what well, it's not, yeah, be careful here. It is not actually roots here. It is so the middle terms here actually cancel. Thank you, Freya, for the follow. Thank you so much, Freya, for the follow. Okay. Does that make sense, Freya, by the way? Does that make sense, this question? Okay, Melissa says makes sense. So much. Okay, okay, awesome, awesome. Okay. Is Lena still here actually? Yeah, okay. So let's do one more actually, yeah, and then we'll do some straight line graphs. Okay. Oh, someone's accepting me. So number outside always goes outside. So what do you mean? Just use, yeah. So can you repeat that? Sorry. So the root. So you multiply by this, but you flip the sign. Okay, that's all you do. Okay, on top and bottom, do logarithms. Yeah, at some point I can let you in. Sorry, I can't let you in here. I apologize. I don't know who you are. Sorry, I apologize. I don't mean to be rude. Sorry. Yeah. Sorry, guys. I apologize. Okay, next one. 3 over 2 minus root 7. Okay, so I'm going to times top and bottom by 2 plus root 7 over 2 plus root 7. Okay, so why am I timesing it by that? Okay, yes, well done, Just G's. Yes, that's correct. Yeah. Did I answer your question, Just G's? Sorry. Did I answer your question about does the number like appear outside? Sorry, what was your question? Sorry, yeah, because it wasn't actually very clear. I apologize. Thank you, Nima, for liking. Yes, spot on, Nima. Yes, yes. So you're always doing like the reverse sign. Okay, sorry. Let's just move it up a bit. Sorry. Okay, so on the top, 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times. Okay, awesome, Hamza. Awesome, awesome. Then, yeah, it's going to be 3 root 7. On the bottom, I can just do 2 times 2 and then that times that. Okay, because the middle terms of, yeah, sorry guys, my actual hand's shaking a bit. Sorry, my actual hand's shaking. Actually, I apologize. Okay, so on the top, yeah, 3 times 2 is going to be 6. Hello, Nikki. Welcome, welcome. 3 times root 7 is going to be 3 root 7. On the bottom, I'm going to have 2 times 2, which is 4. And then I'm going to subtract the number inside this third. Okay, so 4 minus 7, okay? Because the middle terms cancel. Okay, I get 4 plus 2 root 7 minus 2 root 7, so they cancel. And then I've got minus root 7 times positive root 7. That's minus root 49, which simplifies to minus 7. So like when expanding brackets, outside. Yes, Just Use, yes, yes, that is correct. Yes, Just Use, yes. Yep, that is correct, yes. So so numbers go with numbers and then thirds go with thirds, okay? So 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times root 7 is 3 root 7. Okay, thank you so much for liking. Thanks so much for liking. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4 minus 7. So what is 4 minus 7, guys? Thank you so much, Freya, for liking. Thanks so much, Freya, for liking. So what is... Yep, spot on, Nima, yes. Spot on. Yep, Freya, you are correct. Yes, well done, Freya. Spot on. Good work today, by the way, Freya. Thank you for joining my live. Actually, I appreciate it. Thanks so much. Yes, Lena, that is correct. Yes. Okay, I can now simplify this. So divide everything by -3. So I'm going to get -2 minus root 7 all over 1. Obviously, divided by 1 doesn't actually change the answer. So that, guys, is the rationalized version of this. Okay, so rationalizing this, and it gives you that. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Anyway, does anyone want to actually screenshot this? Sorry. Thank you, Justice, for liking. Okay, that's pretty easy. Okay, awesome, Freya. Awesome, Freya. Yeah. Does that make sense now, Freya? Awesome, awesome. Okay, so everyone's got a thumbs up actually here, guys. Yeah. So anyway, so does anyone want to actually screenshot this, or can I move on? Okay, thumbs up. Okay, next topic is looking at straight line graphs. Okay, so I covered this recently. Okay, thumbs up, guys. Yeah, so thumbs up. Yeah, for moving on here. So are there any questions, guys? Thank you, Nima, for liking, guys. Thank you so much actually for all the support, guys. Thank you for taking so many time actually come actually to my live. Okay, last topic here we'll do actually for tonight. Yeah, okay, and then we'll finish for tonight. Yes, Nima, yes. So straight line graphs. Okay, so this is what Lena has actually requested kindly. Yes. Okay. So the key to remember is as follows. You've got y equals. Sorry, guys. My actual hand is shaking. Actually, I apologize. Give me 1 second. So y equals. Oh, my actual hand is shaking, guys. I apologize. Equals. There we go. Okay. Mx plus c. Okay, so what is this all about, guys? Well, M is what you call, yes, spot on, Nima, yes. So M is what you call your gradient shear, and C is where it crosses on the y-axis, okay? So y-intercept, okay? So this is all to do with straight line graphs, okay? So graphs here in this form. Okay, so if, like a few points to actually mention here. Yes. Well, it is how steep the line is. Yeah, I'll come on to So how steep? Yes, Nima, that is correct. The line is. Okay. Does that make sense, Freya? So So the gradient shear. So it's how steep actually the line is this year. The gradient shear can be worked out by the change in y over the change in x. Okay, so they would obviously give you two coordinates. Oh, thank you so much actually for liking. Thank you so much for liking. Okay, so it's a change in y over the change in x. Okay, so triangle just means a change. Okay, or rate of change. Okay, so that's to work out the gradient. It is the change in y over the change in x. Okay. Now, if you points actually mention, if the line is going this way, then it's got a positive gradient. That means m is bigger than 0 if it's like this. Okay, if it has this sort of shape, oops. So if it has this sort of shape, then it has a negative gradient. Okay. So m is less than 0, okay? So if it's this shape, it's negative gradient. And if it's this shape, it's going to be positive gradient, okay? Okay, thank you, Juicy Chef, for liking, okay? Does that make sense so far, guys? Okay, my mum says yes. Okay, awesome. Okay, Lena says yes. Okay, awesome. Okay, so the key parts are, so the C is where it crosses on the y-axis. So C is what I call my y-intercept. So the plus C is where it crosses on the y-axis, okay? So let's say it crosses at, let's say, 5, okay? Then C is equal to 5. Let's say it crosses at -2, then C is -2. Okay, so on and so forth. Okay, so C is where it crosses here on the y-axis. Now, does that make sense, guys? Yeah, sorry. Should I just zoom out a bit? Yes, afraid, yes, sorry, yeah. So this is what I call my x-axis, yes, sorry, yeah. So that's my x-axis, and that's my y-axis, yep. So vertical is x, sorry, vertical is y, and x is going to be across, yes, okay. So yeah, sorry guys, yes, just to be clear, actually, yes, obviously, yeah, a graph, yeah. Hello, miss, welcome, hello, primary maths, welcome. Okay, hello, Miss Chili, welcome, Miss Chili. So that's my x. That's my hello, Olivia. Welcome. Thank you, Just for liking. Yes, Nemo, that is correct, Nemo. Oh, sorry, it should be a Y there. Yes, spot on, Nemo. That is correct. Okay. Hello, HM. Welcome. Well done, Nemo. Yeah, that's awesome. Well, that is awesome. That you actually remember that. That is awesome, buddy. That is really awesome. Okay, sorry guys, yeah, it is actually a bit messy here, sorry. So, that's the key part to remember. So, M is how steep your line is, and C is where it crosses on the y-axis. Now, to work out your gradient here, remember, yes, so gradient, guys, so gradient is the change in Y over the change in X, okay? So remember that, guys, okay? And the plus C is where it crosses on the y-axis, okay? Does that make sense, guys? Sorry, it is actually a bit messy, actually. Sorry, guys, yeah, it is not very actually well organised. I apologise. Oops, sorry. Okay, Freya's got thumbs up there. Are there any questions, guys? Are there any questions so far? Sorry. Are there any questions from Freya or anyone else here? Are there any questions? Okay, guys, if you're not following me, guys, please press that follow button, guys. Guys, we're so close to 2K followers, guys. We need... Yeah. But I've got... I've got to go, at 9:30, yeah, sorry, yeah. I've got a dip here at 9:30 time. But thank you, Mario Mum, yeah, thank you so much. But 9:30, I've got to go. Okay, are there any more topic requests? Okay, how do you use some of these equations? Okay, I've got a video on that, Freya. But I can go over it, obviously, briefly, yeah. How do I love you? So just double tap the screen, miss, yes. So double tap the screen, miss. Double tap the screen. Okay, thank you so much, miss, for liking. Okay, fractional indices. Okay, okay. So can we just cover? So let's do the So last two topics tonight. Yeah. So fractional indices and some of the equations here. So last one's here for tonight. Okay. And then we'll have to finish there. So what did I get? So I actually got an A star actually. Yeah. So I got an A star. Oh, thank you so much, miss, for liking. Thank you so much for liking. Okay, some of these equations, guys. Okay. So, this is where we have an equation in terms of x and y. Okay, yeah, you got it on actually. No worries, Freya, no worries. I'll be on live probably either tomorrow evening or Wednesday evening. Actually, yeah, I'll let you know actually. On my no, I'm not actually. No. I'm actually a teacher actually. So a teacher actually. Yeah, Lima, teacher actually. Yeah. Okay, guys, should we finish there for tonight, or should we do like one more topic? Because Freya's got to go actually. Yeah. Like I've got a video actually. So I've got a video on some of these equations. Thank you so much, Freya. Thank you for the follow, by the way. Thank you for your support. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay, no worries. Yeah, no worries, Lena. Okay. Guys, I might actually end it here tonight. I apologize, guys. Okay. Okay. Are there any more questions, guys, before I go? Thank you. Yeah. Same to you, Lena. Same to you. Are there any more questions? Or should we finish there for tonight? Hello, Star. Welcome. No worries, Muddy Mum. No worries. Thank you for coming in, buddy. Thank you so much for coming in, okay? If there's any more topic requests, guys, sorry, let me know, okay? Oh, if you can, guys. Oh, sorry, I've got my finger actually. Okay, if you can, guys. Yes, I can do it at some point. Yes, just geez, yeah. Probably, maybe not. So do you mean like congruency? Hello, taxi girl. Hello. Do you mean like congruency? Thank you so much, Shalina. How often do you stream? Normally at the weekends, okay, but I try and go live, yeah, in like the evening, guys. Okay, are there any more questions, guys? With no more questions, then we'll end it tonight. Same sign. Okay, yeah. Yes, I can do that. Just geez, yeah. At some point, I can do that. Yes. Remind me next time. Yeah. So same sign, same coefficient. Subtracting that. Okay. Okay. No worries, buddy. No worries. Thank you for coming in, buddy. Thank you for your support. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go now actually, because it is actually getting a bit late now. Right, guys, I'll catch you all probably tomorrow, if not Wednesday, guys. Okay. Great work tonight, guys. Great work. Okay. See you all very soon. Okay. Bye for now. No worries. Thank you as well. Thank you, guys. All right. See you later, guys. Bye for now.